Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to another episode. And today I'm going to show you the biggest scam on Fortnite Battle Royale, and let's hop right into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh god, oh my god.
To this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to get notified exactly when I upload, and comment down below. And now let's get into the video. Okay, guys, so as many of you know, one of the biggest searched things on Fortnite ever since it came out and ever since the Battle Pass was a thing and skins were a thing and skins were becoming really popular is people want to know how to get free V-Bucks, because V-Bucks, as you know, is the main currency in Fortnite, and that's the way you buy skins and basically all the cosmetic items in Fortnite. It's the same thing as like COD points in Call of Duty. It's the in-game currency where you can buy digital content that actually has no real-world value, and people go nuts over this stuff, and people are constantly always searching how to get it for free because no one actually wants to work towards it, grind for it. They want the easy way. You want the easy way of getting it without having to spend any money and without having to put the hours in to actually earn the stuff for free. So I'm going to go over some examples of this scam online and try to expose some of these people. And the short answer for everyone out there wondering, can you actually get free V-Bucks? The answer is no, you can't. V-Bucks are in-game currency, which can only be purchased with actual money, with actual currency. There's no free way to get them. The only free way to get them is actually if you play the game, grind it out, go through the Battle Pass, and actually collect the V-Bucks. I mean, you can technically get free V-Bucks if you purchase the Battle Pass, but in my opinion, that's not free. You're still paying for the Battle Pass up front. You can sort of get them for free if you have the normal pass, which doesn't cost any money, which you progress, but you only get like 100 to 200 V-Bucks by grinding through that. It's not that many, but if you guys want to know, you can do that. It's just you have to put in the hours. There's no simple way to do this. So all these people out here saying that, oh, you can go to these online generators, you can like do all these, you can do these cheats to try to glitch Fortnite into giving you like thousands of V-Bucks. It's all completely fake, and I'm going to go through some examples here now to expose them. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, let's get into it. We're going to be doing a shout out. Today's shout out is going to be C Butler. I actually DM'd this guy. He's really cool. Posts a lot of tech videos, a lot of smartphone videos. Got a headphone video right here. He's all about that Android life. Make sure you guys go support his channel. He posts awesome content. Gets a lot of views, high quality content. Yeah, I can't recommend him enough. Now let's hop into the video. Okay, guys, so the first person on this list who I'm going to expose and is going along with this trend of giving away free V-Bucks through glitches, generators, hacks, all that jazz, is my boy named Chuck. Chuck, let's see what you have to say.
Alright, what is happening? How is everybody doing today? My name is Chuck, and welcome back to a brand new Fortnite battle.
I'm ready to get scammed. How are you guys doing? Let's skip ahead.
Some free V-Bucks. This is going to be the video where I'm going to show you guys how exactly to do that in a very, very short amount of time. So you guys did enjoy today's video, be sure to drop a like on it. A like rating is always greatly appreciated. Make sure you guys enter into my monthly 5,000 V-Bucks giveaway by dropping a like here on today's video. Subscribe.
Yeah, he probably just doesn't give away any V-Bucks at all. This is 100% a scam, and he wants you to like the video because he'll make more ad revenue.
Plus turning on notifications, and then commenting down below in the comment section and let me know what you guys think about all the brand new skins they're adding into Fortnite. Personally, I absolutely love these new skins, but I also like to...
No, he doesn't. He's probably a 30-year-old man sitting at home playing Fortnite and doing nothing.
Know which is your favorite one that you've actually seen in Fortnite Battle Royale so far. Personally, I'm a huge...
And guys, he could care less what you have to say about the skins. He's just doing this in order to get more comments in the comment section below to boost his video up, make more ad revenue. Simple YouTube. I mean, I don't blame him for it. The hustle's real, but You can see right through this stuff. Okay, let's skip forward to what he has to say.
Having to spend any money of your own, because personally this is what I've been doing for the past couple years for any microtransaction, so I figured I'd share with you guys here in this video. So this is going to be a video about a sponsor of mine called Free My Apps or App Zone. I'll leave the links to it down in the description below. It's going to be the top links down there. All you guys have to go ahead and do is click those top links, either of them, depending on if you have an iPhone or an Android. They're labeled down there so you guys...
Okay, so I've used apps like this in the past. Free My Apps is basically download all these apps and they'll pay you. And he's probably saying like, oh, go download this apps, you'll be rich quick, and then you'll have all this money to go buy skins. Well, that's not how it works. I've done this in the past. It's a complete ripoff. You spend hours and hours downloading apps. It's a waste of your time. You'll make hardly any money, and you won't have nearly enough money to actually buy skins in Fortnite. Therefore, this is a scam. He just wants you to do this to go make him money. And as you heard, this is a sponsor of him, as in they are paying him to promote their app, and he's getting a paycheck from doing this video. He's not only getting a paycheck from Free My Apps, he's also getting a paycheck from YouTube for the ad revenue on this video. And I'm actually surprised this is only 5 minutes long. I'm surprised he didn't drag this to 10 minutes so he could put more ads on the video. But besides this point, let's see what he says.
Can get exactly which one you really need, but the whole premise of them is that you download the app onto your phone. It's completely 100% free, and then you're able to go ahead and do a bunch of different things regarding downloading other...
And that's what he says. He says it's absolutely 100% free. It's not 100% free. Downloading the app may be free, but you have to take into account opportunity costs here. You're spending hours and hours and hours downloading apps, getting no points. All these, like, downloading these apps, they probably cost, like, when you redeem these apps, it's probably like you need like 20,000 points to get it, and you see you get 200. It's like they'll take you forever to do it. Plus, you're taking up all your phone's storage from doing this, and it's a complete ripoff. Guys, don't listen to this crap.
Apps, they're going to give you different sorts of point values on there, anywhere from like 100 to 500 points per.
Yep, and I'm guessing he says that he uses this all the time. He probably doesn't use this all the time. He's probably used this once and recorded this screencast, and then, yeah. That's basically it. Okay, so I'm going to move on to another person. Let's hop right into that. Okay, guys, the next person we're going to be taking a look at is a guy named Little Schwam. I don't know what that is, but he only has 1.6k subscribers, so not that much bigger than me. I would have gone after a bigger person, but I saw this guy's video, so I just wanted to see what this guy's all about. And let's see what he has to say.
Activity at the bottom, but we're going to scroll up and select how many V-Bucks we want, and I'm going to select 10,000 just to show you the proof of this machine. And now we're going to
he's going to show you the proof of how this is a scam and he's not actually getting V-Bucks. But let's continue.
select our operating system. It could be any operating system, just the one you use the most. Then you're going to enter in your username and make sure it matches up with the one that's on the screen. As you can see right there, it matches up, and we're going to hit continue. And now it's going to connect to the proxy server and establish a connection. All you're going to do here is hit the verify now button. And
okay, so this is everything. This is an online generator video. He's probably getting paid by whatever this is, whatever company this website this is, online generator V-Bucks. Complete scam. Don't do it. Yeah, basically they're paying him to promote this. He's going to promote it. He's going to make money off this video. Look, he has 59,000 views and only 1.6 thousand subscribers, so he knows what he's doing, and he has a lot of likes, not that many dislikes. So basically, yeah, you have to go onto this generator, you put in how many V-Bucks you want, you put in your username. That data is all useless, they're not going to give you anything, and then it'll say, oh, we need to verify you're human, and then it's going to ask you to do all these steps and to prove and do a survey and all this, and it's never going to actually give you anything. So complete scam. Don't do it.
as you can see 2 apps right here, and all you will have to do is open each of the apps and follow the instructions as it says in the bio, the short little bio there, and just do it. All you have to do, this is for 2 apps. It should take no less than 2 minutes, and as you can see, I know a lot of people have a lot of stuff against this, but you're spending about 2 minutes and getting hundreds of dollars worth of V-Bucks for free. So
no, you're not. You're getting zero money, and you're wasting all your time doing this when you could literally just go play the game, have fun, earn V-Bucks the legit way, or you could go get a job or start your own business, make a little money, and then just buy the V-Bucks yourself. There's no way to get these V-Bucks for free. The only way to get them is to purchase them through Epic Games, or grind your way through the Battle Pass and get them the legit way. Okay, that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. hope you all learned something new about how scammers take advantage of this. They take advantage of people needing free stuff and giving you these simple tutorials that don't actually work and then are just going to make them money. So I'm just here to expose this. Guys, don't do it. Go earn V-Bucks the legit way. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications for a free shout out, and like this video. Follow me on Instagram. Go check out my merch line. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.